today I'm doing something that I'm not super duper comfortable with, which is talking on camera. But I'm just here to let you know that I'm going to be trying to upload a little bit more consistently than once a week this month in the run up to Halloween. So you can expect some more fun and spooky looks to come. And now I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of voiceover Claudia.
Okay, so today I'm starting with a completely bare face and going in with this Barry M Illuminating Strobe Cream in the shade Galactic before applying a lightweight sheer foundation, which I'm going to do off camera to save time, so that way my skin has a glowy appearance. Having already applied a white eyeshadow base on my eyes and done my eyebrows, I'm going in with a bright purple shadow called Sugar Light from the Sleek Brights matte palette, and I'm stamping the shadow down in the inner half of my crease. I'm then taking the colour Bolt from the same palette and stamping this blue shadow on the outer corner of my crease in a rounded shape. With the colour Chill from the same Sleek palette, I'm using that icy blue shadow on a fluffy brush to blend the crease outwards and upwards towards the brow bone. Still using the Bright matte palette, I'm taking the hot pink shadow called Pout and smudging that under my lower lash line, before then going back to the icy blue shadow to really blow out that lower lash line. I'm then taking a small detail brush and applying NYX's Glitter Brilliance Primer to the centre of my lids to provide a tacky base for the glitter to stick to. I'm keeping the glitter mostly in the centre of my lids to act as a spotlight. With a flat brush, I'm using this silver holographic glitter in the centre of my lids. I don't worry too much about fallout since I knew I was going to sweep away most of it with a brush after I was finished. Whilst I sweep away the glitter fallout, I just want to use this as an opportunity to tell you guys that hopefully there should be a new tutorial out on Friday to coincide with the UK release of the new Joker film. So now I'm just curling my eyelashes and applying a black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm taking the colour Daydream from the Makeup Obsession Isn't It Peachy blush palette and dusting a small amount of this over my cheeks and nose. Then I'm going to further highlight my cupid's bow, nose, tip and bridge with this liquid highlight from NYX in the shade Moon Glow. I feel like with this sort of look it's acceptable to wear as much highlight as possible since this is a mermaid inspired look, and mermaids are like this beautiful mythical creature, and I feel like layering as many different highlights is the way to achieving a glowy mermaid look. And so with that being said, I'm also generously applying my Unicorn Tears highlight from Too Faced with this very appropriate mermaid tail brush. To finish off this look, I'm going in with this well-worn, well-loved pinky purple lipstick from Maybelline, and this colour is called Purple Glam.